Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these bicycle shorts. These shorts are perfect for gym wear in the summer, or if you want to, you can use it in everyday outfit. And here you can see that I folded my fabric and placed the paper pattern on it. I just pin it on and cut it out. Here you can see all of the pieces. So I'm starting with connecting the big body piece with the back piece for the glutes. You just serge those pieces together. If you don't have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch. Here you can see that I'm pressing that seam downwards because we're going to understitch that seam. You have to press it downwards. So lay your fabric face up and start to understitch from the face side. I did this step at around 6 millimeters from the seam. And here I pin together detail 1 and detail 3 at the bottom. I serge them together. Now I'm just pressing the seam. Now it's time to connect the front and the back. So place the pattern detail 1 with the front of the body and start to pin together the back piece and detail 3. Go all the way around. And you will have notches on the pattern to make this step easier for you. So after you pin together the two body pieces with the long piece detail 1 and detail 3, just serge it together on both sides. And now you have to press the seam. And I press the seam upwards. If you want to, you can understitch it all the way, but I chose not to do that. And now it's time to connect detail 5. So I start with connecting the front. And as you can see on the detail 5, one corner is more bent. The more bended corner is the one that should be connected with the front. Now I'm pressing the seam and then I will connect the back also. It can be a bit hard to understand what pieces should go together at the beginning, but please just follow the instruction and it will help you connect the right pieces. So right now I took the waistband and I started together on the side. Now I'm going to press it. So now I'm folding the waistband in half, like in the middle, and then you have to press it all the way around. If you want to, you can add an elastic band here, but I chose not to do that. Now it's time to make the marks on the waistband. So I just fold it in half and mark. Then you can see that I connect those marks and now I'm marking the sides also. So you should do this step on the waistband and on the shorts. And now pin together the waistband with the shorts and pin it on those 4 marks that we created first. If you want to, you can pin all the way around. It can be easier for you when you're going to search them together, but that step is optional. After you search them together, please use a needle and put those threads inside of the seam. And just press that seam downwards so you don't get any extra thickness on the waistband. And here I'm creating a hemline. My hemline will be 2 centimeters wide. And please do this step on the face of the garment. And now we're going to press the hemline. So for this step to be easier, turn your garment wrong side out and then fold the hemline towards the wrong side and press all the way around. And since the fabric is elastic, I do not serge that edge. I connect it with a double needle. Just place it down and go all the way around. As you can see, I have a magnet connected so I know how far I should place that stitch. And here you can see how it looks from the face and the wrong side. If you want to serge it, the edge, you can do that also. And this is how the shorts look when they're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you would like to see anything else or want me to explain something else a little bit more. Thank you guys. Bye bye.